Hello kids, I'm going to read you Hooray for Birds. Hooray for birds. Can you imagine just for one bird you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky's blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop around and round. Scratch the ground with your feet, catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la. Tweet, 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 hum, 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 chip, chip, chip. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began today, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight, ta-wee-ta-woo, woo-woo. Bye-bye, kids. See you later.